Oatmeal, often associated with cozy breakfasts and wholesome nutrition, is more than just a comforting bowl of porridge. This humble grain has gained recognition for its numerous health benefits, making it a versatile and essential addition to your daily diet. In this video, we will explore 7 compelling reasons why you should consider eating oatmeal every day. 1. Rich in nutrients, oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It is a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. Additionally, oats are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They also provide an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for overall health and digestion. 2. Heart-healthy benefits. Consuming oatmeal can significantly contribute to heart health. Oats are high in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, especially LDL, the bad cholesterol. Lowering cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Regular oatmeal consumption can also help stabilize blood pressure, further promoting cardiovascular health. 3. Weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, oatmeal is an excellent choice. The high fiber content in oats promotes a feeling of fullness and can help reduce overall calorie intake. Oatmeal's complex carbohydrates are digested slowly, providing sustained energy throughout the day and curbing hunger pangs, making it an ideal option for those aiming to lose or maintain their weight. 4. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals with diabetes or those seeking to stabilize their blood sugar levels, oatmeal is a wise choice. The soluble fiber in oats helps slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This can aid in managing diabetes and reducing the risk of developing the condition in the first place. 5. Digestive health. Oatmeal is a gentle friend to your digestive system. The soluble fiber in oats helps prevent constipation by softening stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This not only ensures a healthy gut but also reduces the risk of gastrointestinal issues, such as diverticulitis. Furthermore, oatmeal is often recommended as a go-to food for those with sensitive stomachs. 6. Versatile and delicious. Oatmeal's versatility is one of its greatest assets. You can customize it to suit your taste by adding a variety of toppings, such as fresh fruits, nuts, honey, or spices like cinnamon. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, oatmeal is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. It can be prepared in minutes, making it an ideal breakfast option for busy mornings. 7. Lowers cholesterol. Oats are loaded with dietary fiber that help in lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, without affecting the good cholesterol. Consumption of oats and oat-based products helps in preventing cardiovascular diseases. Eating oatmeal every day can offer a wide array of health benefits, from heart health and weight management to blood sugar regulation and digestive well-being. It is a nutritious, versatile, and budget-friendly addition to your daily diet that can be enjoyed in a variety of delicious ways. So, embrace the comfort and nourishment of oatmeal and make it a staple in your routine for a healthier and happier you.